I'm a trash rapper, and I'm getting a lot of hate on my videos. Hello y'all, and welcome back to the show. If you are new to this channel, Retry Custom, make sure you subscribe. But today we're going to be getting into a few different topics. As you guys can tell by the title, it'll probably be a pretty controversial topic to a lot of you. But first of all, we have an unboxing to do. Okay, so we have our package. I'm really not quite sure what's in it, but I guess we will find out. Ooh! We have ourselves some iPhone cases. These I'll probably be selling, but first of all, we need to crack one open and check it out to see what it's all about. Very clean. I like that a lot, actually. Lift and lock. There's a little fake instructions card in there. Man, I really like these a lot. These will sell very nicely. Check that out. The card's in there, the fake card, but check that little sleek design out. You know, pull your card out, boom, insert it back in, boom. Real sleek and clean. If you'd like to buy one of these off of me, contact me on my Instagram. As I said before, contact me on Instagram, Twitter, one of those, you know, my socials are down in the description below. But yeah, I have one for the 7 and one for the 7 Plus, so first come, first serve, but I can always order more in if you guys are super interested. My next thing I want to talk about was just a little snippet, you know, a little life type style snippet. I'm a really big fan of YB and Namir's new song, Breadwinners. You know, he's 3 for 3 on the banger singles. I'm really excited for his album to drop. That's just a little extra something I want to throw in there. You should go listen to Breadwinners. Maybe I'll include a little segment of it in this video.
With the gang trying to diss YB cause they know we some breadwinners. Bread getter, double flip it, that's a bread dinner. Head getter, she gon' suck it, she a head giver.
But Breadwinners is a banger. It is on Apple Music if you guys are wondering. Okay, so from what I've seen and from a lot of comments on my music video, apparently I'm a trash rapper and I'm getting a lot of hate on my videos. So I have 16 new comments on the last hate comments video that I plan on reading here today for you guys to enjoy and, you know, hear my little commentary on them of me roasting myself, basically. As usual, start with the good ones, and then we'll get into the bad ones. Okay, Isaac, Juggling Isaac, you know my guy, shouted him out in the last video. He said, the haters are still giving you those views, and that is very correct. Every time you click on a video, boom, view. You commented, boom, you had to view it. That's what it is. Islam said, people be sipping that haterade.
Haterade! It gives you balls of iron!
If you're feeling low, I'll put my peanut in your jelly. No one's got your back, but who's got your belly on?
Having edited a couple of videos, the stuff that B-Terry made took a lot of time to edit, and it's very cool how he made it. Thank you, I really appreciate that. Islam, you know, one of my most loyal subscribers, and I'll have a pretty cool video dealing with that coming soon. Someone else said, Alex King, you're the GOAT, you're funny for that. I am pretty funny, or he's funny, or we're both funny, whatever, regardless. And then, you know, Jacob Perrette, Jacob Speaks, he has a pretty large channel himself, but he's more into the filmmaking and movie making. Now he said, yo, you should see the comments of my first feature film. And I can only imagine, I really didn't go check it out just yet, but I can only imagine. Now we're getting into some of the good ones. One guy by the name of AK74 got on me quite a few times in this, and you know, I might just have to post him on the screen and read him out there because I can't really read a lot of it right now. I'll have to blur it out because it is pretty intense. My boy Charles Tate said, I swear people are only about to roast you now to get attention, and that's very true, but if you have something to say about me, put it in the comments below and maybe you'll be in the next video. Who knows? Who knows? This trash rapper just might come at you. Forza Lot 567 is back once again. And they say, boy got saltier than a bag of Lay's, and I'm from Merc. I'm looking for some land to crop my corn. Your big forehead looks like we'll do the job. Forza Lot 567. Do you use cow manure as your fertilizer, or maybe just plant username in the ground, bro? I'm serious about changing your username. Please. Change your username. Directions will be on the screen right here. You know, check them out, read them real quick. Let's all take a minute, maybe listen to Breadwinners while you read the directions.
With the gang trying to diss YB cause they know we some breadwinners.
Now I'm gonna get into the long slew of comments this guy commented for me. You know, I read him at the Scotty concert. I had a great time. Here's a little snippet of that.
I get myself 5 more minutes.
I'm amazing time in the concert with Claudia, and I'm really glad I could head down there. I love some country music, but I'm also a fan of hip-hop, rap, you guys know. LOL. This dude looked like a traffic cone. I could plan it. Okay. As I'm rereading them for this video, I'm coming to realize I really can't say them on YouTube. Like, you can say this on YouTube, but I can't say it on YouTube. No, it's just, I don't put that on my channel like that, and I don't go that hardcore into it. But first of all, I'll post them all on the screen. I'll blur everything I need to blur out, but that's beside the point. I did a little research into this AK-47 channel. As you guys will see on the screen, no subscribers. And maybe I'll be his first subscriber, because something else I did notice and I really took interest in was that this AK-74 person, maybe Alex King, maybe not, the description on his page's comedy sorta were different. Okay. So first of all, you put your bio in, and that's one thing. You put your bio, but you have no content on your channel. 0 content. Have you not just uploaded yet, or do you just use your is your comedy from the comments, or what? Are you planning on uploading sometime soon? You know, I might subscribe and I might turn the bell on, because I'm really excited for this comedy you're about to drop, and I'm not quite sure when you made your channel, but I could probably figure that out if I really desired to know on how long you've been meaning to make content but never did. You know, it's a harder gig on YouTube than you think, and to be in front of the camera every day and doing stuff like that and taking it from all you guys in the comment section down below and at school and stuff like that, it's a hard job. But of course, I'm up to the task, and I'm up to show you guys what really goes on. But yeah, that's what I have for you guys. So if you like this video, make sure you smash the like button. I hope you go read the comments for yourself. They're kind of explicit, but go check them out. They're pretty funny about me. Comment some fun stuff, comment some nice stuff, comment some mean stuff, whatever you guys want to comment. Maybe, just maybe, you'll get featured in the next video. And subscribe if you're new and want to see more of my amazing content. You know, I kind of BS'd around and I finally got to what I was gonna get into. So yeah, that's what I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching B Cherry Customs. Hit that like button down below. I'm out.
We some breadwinners.